How much heat in calories and in kilocalories does it take to raise the temperature of 814 grams of water from 18 to 100 degrees Celsius? So as you can see, we're going to use this equation, which gives you the heat in this case. It's going to be in calories because that's what we're being asked, calories and kilocalories. This is the Q, the amount of heat in units, expressed as a product of the mass. In this case, the substance is going to be water, so mass of water multiplied by the specific heat of water multiplied by the temperature change of the same substance of water. So this is going to be found by taking 814 grams of H2O. Now the specific heat in joules, as you know, is 4.184, but here we need calories, right? So we know that 1 calorie of heat is required to change 1 gram sample of water by 1 degree Celsius, right? So to change the temperature by 1 degree Celsius of a 1 gram sample of water, you will need 1 calorie of heat. So that means we can put in the bottom per gram, we can put H2O, per degree Celsius, right? And then finally, the temperature change. Now the temperature change is the final minus the initial. The final is going to be 100, and the initial is going to be 18, right, degrees Celsius. So as you see, the degrees Celsius gets canceled out, the grams gets canceled out. So the only thing that remains is the calories, and that's the unit to measure heat. All right, just like joules and kilojoules, in this case, calories and kilocalories. So what your calculator should give you is 66,748 calories. Now you want to express this using scientific notation. So you're going to round it, of course, because you only need 3 significant figures according to the numbers given. So we're only going to need 3 digits, 6, 6, and 7. So we're going to put 6.67 because scientific notation calls for a decimal placed after the first significant figure. Right, so 6.67 times 10 to the, now what's the power? The power is determined by looking at how large the number is. So if our decimal is here after the 6, we need to travel how many decimal places to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So the power should be 4 calories. Right, so this is the answer in calories, but we also require to find the answer in kilocalories. Okay, now kilocalories, let's first find the clean answer and then we're going to round that. So number of kilocalories, how much is that going to be? We're going to take the whole thing in calories and then we're going to just convert it to kilocalories. We know that 1,000 calories take in 1 calorie. Right, so the calories go away, kilocalories remain. So as a result, this is equal to 3 decimal places from the right to left, 1, 2, 3. So 66.748 kilocalories. Now again, we need to round that using 3 significant figures. So as a result, this will be just these 3, right? 66.7 kilocalories, right? So this answers your question successfully. So this would be the answer in calories, and this would be the answer in kilocalories. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.